Good morning, students. So today we are going to see the more problem on verification of the divergence theorem. So the problem statement is like this. Given that D is equal to 5 r square divided by 4 ar coulombs per meter square, evaluate both sides of divergence theorem for volume enclosed by r equal to 4 meters and theta equal to 5 by 4. Okay, so this is the problem statement, and the diagram given is this is x-axis, y, z-axis. So this is the diagram given. Then the angle is 45 degree, pi by 4, it is 45 degrees. Okay, then so this is the surface, here is the dr emitting in the direction of AR. Okay, then here you will get the d theta, this is d theta in the direction of a theta, then the radius is 4 meters. Okay, and this is given. So the solution is we need to verify the both sides of the divergence theorem. So this is surface integral d dot ds, this should be equal to volume integral del dot t into dv. This should be verified. So we have only dr term in the problem, dr equal to 5 r square divided by 4, and d theta, d phi both are 0. So if you consider the spherical coordinate system, we know that the ds normal to the AR in the direction is given by ds is given by r square sin theta d theta d phi in the direction AR. So this we know this. Okay, so what is d dot ds? D dot ds is nothing but r square sin theta d theta d phi into 5r square divided by 4. So AR, this AR and this AR, we will get it as 1. So the value is 5 divided by 4 r raised to 4 sin theta d theta d phi. So this value we are going to get. So now the integration value, integration of the surface integral t dot ds is nothing but, so apply the integration. So phi range between 0 to 2 pi, then theta range between 0 to, it is pi by 4. So what is d dot ds? This is 5 by 4 r raised to 4 sin theta d theta. So what value we are going to get here? 5 by 4 remains as it is. Then at r equal to 4, so it is 4 raised to 4. Then integration of sin theta is minus cos theta, it is 0 to pi by 4. Then phi is 2 pi. So this, if you solve, you will get it as 5 by 4 into 4 raised to 4 into, this is minus cos pi by 4 minus of minus cos 0 into 2 pi. So using calculator you can get the answer. This value you will get it as 588.896 coulombs. Okay, this is the right hand side. Sorry, this is the left hand side, that is LHS. This is the LHS. So next we have to evaluate for the del dot D. So if you want to evaluate this del dot D for spherical coordinate system, we have the formula, that is 1 divided by r square dou by dou r of r square into dr plus 1 divided by r sin theta dou by dou theta of sin theta into d theta plus 1 by r sin theta into dou by dou phi of d phi. So here d theta and d phi are 0. So these two terms becomes 0. Then we remain with only the first term. So that first term what we will get is 1 by r square d by dr of r square into 5 by 4 r square. So only this will get. So if you solve this, we are going to get it as 5r. Only 5r is going to remain. So those calculations you can do, that differentiations and all. So next what we have, we need to evaluate volume integral. Volume integral, that is del dot D. So you need to evaluate into dB. So this you have to evaluate what value you will get. So we have the integration, that is phi ranging between 0 to 2 pi, then theta ranging between 0 to pi by 4, then r range between 0 to 4. So del dot d we have calculated is 5 r. Then for dv we have the again the same ds value we are going to get it as in the direction of d phi, that is r square sin theta dr d theta d phi. This is the dv value. We know this, we have calculated, and we also come across this formula for dv. So if you substitute this value and calculate, the value we are going to get it as, so it is 5 into, the value you will get it as r raised to 4 divided by 4, 0 to 4, r integration. Then for theta it is minus cos theta 0 to pi by 4, then phi is 2 pi, we get directly. So if you calculate this value, it is 5 by 4 into 4 raised to 4 into, again it is minus cos 5 by 4 minus of minus cos 0 into 2 pi. Okay, again if you calculate this using calculator, you are going to get the answer as 588,896 coulombs. Hence we have proved that, or we come to a conclusion that LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, hence the proof. Okay, so some further problems will continue in the next class. Thank you.